Serving the nation for 60 years, Land Bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Member PDIC and BancNet.
Tatak RMN.
Nakikita mo na ba ang mga pangitain mula sa banal na kasulatan? Sapagkat magdidigmaan ang mga bansa at mga kaharian, magkakaroon ng paggutom at paglundol sa iba't ibang lugar. Ito'y kasimula pa lang ng mga paghihirap na darating. Matthew 24:7-8. Repent, turn to Jesus today. He is the only way to heaven. Brought to you by MX3.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya, white rose papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use. Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah. Papaya puti, papaya fast. White rose papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Spirit with Batang San Miguel. Ilabas!
Magkwentuhan tayo. Hilig na ilabas mo. Makikinig ako. Hilig na ilabas ang kwento. O San Miguel tayo. Hilig na ilabas mo. San Miguel Philippines, sarap laging kasama.
Drink responsibly. Ang San Miguel Pale Pilsen 320 ml, 40 SRP lang. Ang Grande, 105 SRP lang. Bili na! Drink responsibly.
Let's go, let's go, let's make it easy. GSM Blue Mojito. Tuloy-tuloy na ang kulitan with GSM Blue Cool Litro. Choose GSM Blue Mojito, now in new Cool Litro. Drink responsibly.
Your favorite GSM Blue Mojito, now available in 1 liter. Tuloy-tuloy ang kulitan with GSM Blue Cool Litro. Drink responsibly.
Tatak RMN. Maski donde hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.